This is an inspirational story called The Tortoise and the Birds. A tortoise once decided to move to a new location. So he promised to give the eagle a big reward for his help to fly him to his new house. The eagle agreed to the terms and lifted the tortoise with its claws. On their way to the new house, they rested on a rock. There was a crow who said to the eagle, "Turtles are good food." The eagle replied, "But its shell is also difficult to break." The crow said, "The rocks will easily crack the shell." And the eagle dropped the tortoise onto the hard rock. The two birds had some good food. Moral of the story: never believe the enemy's story in your life. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and the notification bell for new updates every week.